Here are 5 awesome text animations that every editor should know about. Okay, let's start off with the first text animation, which is gonna be the Blurry Reveal animation. Click on this arrow here to open up your text. Click on Animate, then click on Opacity. Right here, set the opacity to 0. Then open up the range selector 1 and make sure you're on the first frame of your video and keyframe the start setting right here. Jump ahead about 3 seconds forward, and after that reset the value to 100. Now click on Animate again and add blur this time. Increase the amount of blur to something like 12. Expand range selector 1 and move the time indicator a few frames ahead of the start. Keyframe the start setting and move forward about 10 frames ahead of the ending keyframe, and then reset the value. Now all you have to do is select these keyframes, hit F9 to ease them up, and voila!
Perfect.
Next up is the blurry text animation. Right click this area here, click on New, then click on Solid. Make sure that your solid layer is gonna be set to the red color. Now go to the effects panel and add the fractal noise effect. In the effect controls, set the blending mode to add. Increase the contrast value to 800 or 850. Now place the solid layer below your text layer, hit toggle switches / modes, and set the track matte of your solid layer to your text layer. Now while holding Alt, click on the evolution stopwatch and type in this exact expression. And that's how you get this cool text effect.
Perfect.
For this one, a video is gonna be inside the text. This is really simple to make. Drag a video layer to the bottom of your text layer. Click on toggle switches / modes to bring up the track matte options. Now open up this box and set the track matte to your text layer. As you can see, this video is now inside of our text.
Yo!
Another cool text animation that you should know about as an editor is the pop-up animation. You've probably seen it somewhere in social media or in a MrBeast video. First, we need to recenter the anchor point of our text. Hold Ctrl and click on the pan behind tool twice. Now activate motion blur for your text, press S and set the start value to 0. Click on the stopwatch and move 5 frames forward. Set the scale value to 125, and to add a bounce back effect, move 3 frames forward from this point and reset the scale value to 100.
Perfect.
Now let's jump ahead to the final text animation of our video, which is gonna be the infamous wiggle effect. Open up the arrow of your text, click on Animate, click on Position. Now right here next to Animator 1, click on Add, Selector, then click on Wiggly. Expand the Wiggle Selector 1 and increase the position values to 3 and 5. Next, while holding Alt, click on the stopwatch of the random seed setting right here, type in Posterize Time, and in the brackets type in 5 and then hit enter. Then type in random and set it to 1000. If you want to make the text wiggle faster, just increase the wiggles per second a bit. So yeah, that's how you make this text animation. And that basically wraps up our video in general. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to check out this tutorial next.